राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Welcome to class 91 of Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita webinar. So in this session we will be completing learning the 18 chapters of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This divine yajna which we commenced 2 years ago in April 2019. So purely by the grace of Bhagavan, Gita Acharya, our gurus, elders and well-wishers, in 2 years, in 91 classes, we are going to complete learning all the 18 chapters, the 700 plus verses of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And after today, maybe we will have some time for individual chanting. And next week, we will have Punaravartanam as usual, that is a revision of 18th chapter, followed by individual chanting. After that, after next week, we are going to have mock assessments here itself at the same time in the webinar. So I will send out an email after next week, and in those mock assessment sessions, it would be purely individual chanting. So those who want to know how the assessment is going to be, you will get an opportunity to chant, and I will also point out how to improve. So that would be, I think we will have 2 or 3 sessions for mock assessment. In the first week of June, we will send out the dates. We will have the final assessment followed by the valedictory function. So today we will conclude learning 18 chapters, but we will still be having classes. And finally, we will conclude with valedictory function after the final assessment. So let us begin. As usual, a recap of the verses which we learned in the previous class, and we will proceed to learning the new verses for today. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje Gurunaiv sahasmi namo gurave Na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Narayanam namaskritya naran chaiva narottamam Devim sarasvatim vyasam Tato jayamudirayet Vasudeva sutam devam Sachanuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnau Vande Jagadgurum Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvam Anusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim Namostu te Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha Mukhaṁ karoti vācālam Pangullanghayate girim Yatkripatamaham vande Paramanandamadhavam Sarvopanishado gavaha Dogdha gopalanandanaha Partho vatsas sudhir bhokta Dugdham Gitamritam mahat Shantakaram bhujagashayanam Padmanabham suresham विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ अष्टादशोऽध्यायः मोक्षसंन्यासयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच सन्न्यासस्य महाबाहो तत्त्वमिच्छामि वेदितुम् त्यागस्य च हृषीकेश पृथक् केशिनिषूदन। We will start with the 62nd verse, which we learned, 63rd verse rather, which we learned in the previous class. So 63 to 72 and then 73rd onwards we will commence learning. इति ते ज्ञानमाख्यातं गुह्याद् गुह्यतरं मया विमृश्यैतदशेषेण यथेच्छसि तथा कुरु। सर्वगुह्यतमं भूयः शृणु मे परमं वचः इष्टोऽसि मे दृढमिति ततो वक्ष्यामि ते हितम्। मन्मना भव मद्भक्तः मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैष्यसि सत्यन्ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। इदं ते न तपस्काय न भक्ताय कदाचन न चाशुश्रूषवे वाच्यं न च मायोऽभ्यसूयति। य इमं परमं गुह्यं मद्भक्तेष्वभिधास्यति भक्तिं मयि परां कृत्वा मामे वैष्यत्य संशयः। न च तस्मान् मनुष्येषु कश्चिन्मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्मादन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि। अध्येष्यते च य इमं धर्म्यं संवादमावयोः ज्ञानयज्ञेन तेनाहम् इष्टस्यामिति मे मतिः। श्रद्धावाननसूयश्च शृणुयादपि यो नरः सोऽपि मुक्तः शुभान् लोकान् प्राप्नुयात् पुण्यकर्मणाम्। कच्चिदेतच्छ्रुतं पार्थ त्वयैकाग्रेण चेतसा कच्चिदज्ञानसम्मोहः प्रणष्टस्ते धनञ्जय. Okay, so with this verse, that is the 72nd verse, that is where till there we have Bhagavan speaking, and the next 6 verses are told by Arjuna and Sanjaya. So, as you know, in the second chapter, Bhagavan started speaking. He told Arjuna, Ashocyan anvashocastvam prajnavadamscha bhashase gatasun agatasumscha nanushocanti panditaha. So he tells Arjuna that he's speaking like, like someone who knows everything, who knows dharma without knowing what his duties are, what he is supposed to do. And he also says, Klaibyam masmagam of partha naitatvayupapadyate kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tishtva, kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktva uttishta parantapa. So he says, Arjuna, having giving up this cowardice and this weakness, stand up, uttishta. So in this 73rd verse, after listening to this gospel of Srimad Bhagavad Gita from Krishna, Arjuna here says, Nashto mohaha smritir labdha. Mohaha, that is my ajnanam, my delusion. Nashtaha, it has faded away, it has gone. Smritihi labdha, I have now received wisdom. Tvat prasadat, only by your grace. Achyuta, O Krishna. Gata sandehaha, now without any doubt, having given up all doubts, sthitaha asmi, I now stand up. So there in the beginning, Arjuna had said how his Gandiva is falling from his hand and he's unable to stand, and he doesn't know what has to be done. Shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam. He prostrates to Krishna and says, I am your Shishya, tell me what has to be done. So here in the end, 73rd verse, Arjuna is saying, Gata sandehaha sthitaha asmi. Now I do not have any more doubts and I am standing up. Tava vachanam karishye. I will act as per your word. So this is how, right in the middle of a battlefield, when a warrior, a great warrior like Arjuna, lost his courage and was filled with delusion, then and there in the battlefield, Bhagavan gives him this gospel of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and shows him the Adbhutam Rupam of Vishwarupa. And towards the end of the conversation, Arjuna says, now all my fears and doubts have vanished, and I am here to do my duty. So this is in more ways than one, this is just a wonderful work, and of course unparalleled. It's not, the time is not enough to speak about it, but just think about the situation in which Arjuna was and how Bhagavan gave him this wonderful gospel right there in the middle of the battlefield, and his ajnana moha went away, and he stood up with courage to fight. So which is why this is so relevant for everyone, because all of us become like Arjuna at one or the other point of time in our lives, maybe for a small situation or for a big one, depending on whatever we are doing in life, whether as students or working or whatever else. So like Bhagavan gave this courage to Arjuna to stand up and fight and to face and to do one's duties. Similarly, this is a lesson for all of us. So in times of adversity, to have faith and to have courage and to do one's duties as an offering to Bhagavan. Let us start learning today's verses. Each verse is so beautiful. Um, Rama Shankar Bhagini, please unmute. Arjuna Uvacha
अर्जुन उवाच अर्जुन उवाच
नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा
नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा
त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत
तत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत
Once again, Bhagini.
तत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत.
Yeah, here please note all of you. Nashto mohaha smritir labdha. Mohaha smritihi. When you combine visarga sakara sandhi, moha smritir labdha. Dha is mahaprana. This is tvat prasadan mayachyuta. It is not tat. It is tvat. Tat means that. Tvat means your. There is a difference. So he's saying tvat prasadat, by your prasada, that is by your grace. He's referring to Bhagavan. So tvat prasadan mayachyuta. Tva here, not tat. Tvat prasadan mayachyuta. Sthitosmi. Sthito. Stha is masti is mahaprana. Sthito asmi. Avagraha chinha. We chant together. Sthitosmi. Gata sandeha. Karishye vachanam tava. You could either chant vachanam tava or combine the sandhi and chant it as vachanam tava. See the difference in the spirit of Arjuna, like we saw in the first chapter, and now after he listens to Bhagavan. Sthitosmi gata sandeha.
स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः. स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः.
Karishye vachanam tava.
करिष्ये वचनं तव. करिष्ये वचनं तव.
Arjuna uvacha.
अर्जुन उवाच अर्जुन उवाच
नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत.
नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत. नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत.
स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव.
स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव. स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव.
Yes, please note also the pronunciation of this word achyuta. Cha and you both should be heard achyuta. Sometimes there is a tendency to not pronounce the y clearly. So both should be heard achyuta. Arjuna uvacha nashto moha smritir labdha tvat prasadan mayachyuta. स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव.
अर्जुन उवाच नष्टो मोहस्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत. स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देहः करिष्ये वचनं तव.
Uttamam Bhagini, thank you very much. Rama Bhagini has been with us from almost the beginning, I think, of the webinar. So for 2 years, she has assisted us so well. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Thank you very much for all the assistance, and really happy that you were in the panel. धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवादः.
Okay. Priyadarshini Bhagini, please unmute. So if you remember last class, Bhagavan tells Arjuna that you are very dear to me. Ishtosi me dridhamiti tato vakshyami te hitam. So I told you whatever is good for you. But he also says, yathechasi tatha kuru. He doesn't impose. He doesn't say, Arjuna, do this. So he has shared this gospel of Bhagavad Gita and enlightened Arjuna about his duties. And then he says, I leave it to you to do as you please. And here in the previous verse, Arjuna says, now all my doubts have vanished, my delusion is vanished, and I stand here to do to follow your word. So that was Arjuna's decision. Krishna did not impose on him and say, do this. He left it to Arjuna's discretion after giving this entire gospel of the Gita. So next, the last few verses are by Sanjaya. As you all know, the Gita started with Dhritarashtra Uvacha, that is Dhritarashtra, the blind king, the king of the Kauravas. He asks Sanjaya what is happening in the battlefield. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetaha Yuyutsavaha Mamakaha Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Now Sanjaya was blessed with this divine vision by Vyasa, Maharshi Veda Vyasa, to sit in the palace near the king and narrate the events. So it was like a live telecast which was happening to Sanjaya. Because of this divine eyesight blessed by Vyasa, he could see, visualize and hear what was happening. Therefore, Sanjaya was also blessed to listen to this divine conversation between Arjuna and Krishna. And he narrated this to Dhritarashtra. So now again Sanjaya is speaking. Sanjaya Uvacha.
Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha.
Ityaham Vasudevasya.
Ityaham Vasudevasya. Ityaham Vasudevasya.
Parthasya cha Mahatmanah.
Parthasya cha Mahatmanah. Parthasya cha Mahatmanah.
Samvadamimam Shrausham.
Samvadamimam Shrausham. Samvadamimam Shrausham.
Adbhutam Romaharshanam.
Adbhutam Romaharshanam. Adbhutam Romaharshanam.
Here, Sanjaya says, Iti, in this way. This is referring to the entire conversation between Arjuna and Krishna. Iti aham vasudevasya parthasya cha mahatmanah. So in this way, I heard Ashrausham Sambadam Imam. I heard this conversation between Vasudeva and Partha Arjuna. This Sambadam, which is Roma Harshanam and Adbhutam, this marvelous conversation. I heard this. So Ityaham Vasudevasya Parthasya, Tha is Mahaprana, Samvadamimam Ashrausham. Note the pronunciation, Samvadamimam Ashrausham. Samvadam imam ashrausham. But you chant it together. Samvadam imam ashrausham. Adbhutam. Dha is Mahaprana. Roma harshanam. Sanjaya uvacha.
Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha.
Ityaham vasudevasya parthasya cha mahatmanah.
इत्यहं वासुदेवस्य पार्थस्य च महात्मनः इत्यहं वासुदेवस्य पार्थस्य च महात्मनः
संवादमिमम श्रौषम् अद्भुतं रोमहर्षणम्
संवादमिममश्रौषम् अद्भुतं रोमहर्षणम् संवादमिममश्रौषम् अद्भुतं रोमहर्षणम्
सञ्जय उवाच इत्यहं वासुदेवस्य पार्थस्य च महात्मनः संवादमिमम श्रौषम् अद्भुतं रोमहर्षणम्
सञ्जय उवाच इत्यहं वासुदेवस्य पार्थस्य च महात्मनः संवादमिममश्रौषम् अद्भुतं रोमहर्षणम्
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः प्रियदर्शिनी भगिनी. So Priyadarshini attended as a student, as an attendee, and midway through the course she joined us as a panelist, and also she was very consistent right since the beginning in her individual chanting and practice. So midway she joined us as a panelist and also has been very regular and helped us very well with Anucharanam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I mean, like I said, this is not the last class, but probably the last class where we will have Anucharanam. Let's see. I mean, in case it's needed, we'll have later. Suvarna Sudagoni Bhagini, please unmute and share your webcam. Vyasa Prasadachhrutavan
व्यासप्रसादाच्छ्रुतवान् व्यासप्रसादाच्छ्रुतवान्
एतद्गुह्यमहं परम्
एतद्गुह्यमहं परम् एतद्गुह्यमहं परम्
योगै योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात्
योगै योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् योगै योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात्
साक्षात् कथयत स्वयम्
साक्षात् कथयत स्वयं साक्षात् कथयत स्वयं
Here Vyasaprasadat Shrutavan. Vyasaprasadat, Dvitvam here. Second P is heard. Vyasaprasadat Shrutavan. If you split it, it is Vyasaprasadat Shrutavan. So Sanjaya is saying, by the prasada of Vyasa, that is by the kripa or grace of Vyasa, I could hear this. So Sanjaya is so overwhelmed. But for this divine sight given by Vyasa, Sanjaya would not have been able to witness and listen to this glorious conversation. So this is like expressing his gratitude. Vyasa prasadat shrutavan etat, referring to this gospel of the Gita. Guhyam, the ultimate secret knowledge. Param is ultimate. Yogam, Yogeshwarat Krishnat Sakshat Kathayata Swayam. So Krishna is Yogeshwara, and he described to Arjuna the various kinds of yoga. And as you know, we have learned Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Sankhya Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga in the Bhagavad Gita. So Sakshat Yogeshwarat Krishnat, from Yogeshwara Krishna himself, Swayam Kathayatah, he himself describing yoga to Arjuna. So by Vyasa Prasada, I could listen to this. So Chrutavan Cha is Mahaprana, Etad Guhyamaham Param, Yogam Yogeshwarat Krishnat. You can either chant it as Yogam, Anuswara completely, or Yogai Yogeshwarat Krishna. Both are right. Sakshat Kathayataha. Kathayataha is saying. Katha, tha is Mahaprana, Swayam. Kathayata Swayam. We combine the Visarga and it becomes Visarga Sakara Sandhi. Sakshat Kathayata Swayam. Vyasa Prasadat Shrutavan Etad Guhyamaham Param.
व्यासप्रसादात् श्रुतवान् एतद् गुह्यमहं परम् व्यासप्रसादात् श्रुतवान् एतद् गुह्यमहं परम्
Yogai Yogeshwarat Krishnat Sakshat Kathayata Swayam.
योगै योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् साक्षात् कथयत स्वयं योगै योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् साक्षात् कथयत स्वयं.
The entire verse. Vyasa Prasadat Shrutavan Etad Guhyamaham Param Yogai Yogeshwarat Krishnat Sakshat Kathayata Swayam.
व्यासप्रसादात् श्रुतवान् एतद् गुह्यमहं परम् योगै योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् साक्षात् कथयत स्वयम्.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha Suvarna Bhagini. Suvarna Bhagini also had joined us as an attendee, as a participant in the course. She was very regular and consistently participated in the individual chanting after each chapter. And midway through the course, she joined us as a panelist and assisted us very effectively. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Thank you very much. Next, Neha, please unmute. Please share your webcam, Neha. Ram Neha. Rajan samsmritya samsmritya.
राजन् संस्मृत्य संस्मृत्य राजन् संस्मृत्य संस्मृत्य
Samvadamimammadbhutam
संवादमिममद्भुतम्
Keshavarjunayoh punyam
केशवार्जुनयोः पुण्यम् केशवार्जुनयोः पुण्यम्
Hrishyami cha muhurmuhuh
हृष्यामि च मुहुर्मुहुः हृष्यामि च मुहुर्मुहुः.
Here again Sanjaya is saying Rajan, referring to Dhritarashtra. Samsmritya samsmritya, remembering again and again. Imam samvadam adbhutam, remembering this wonderful, marvelous, adbhutam samvadam, conversation. Imam, this conversation, again and again. Keshavarjunayoho, this conversation between Keshava and Arjuna. Punyam, which is very sacred. Muhurmuhuhu hrishyami cha, I feel extremely happy. Muhurmuhuhu, again and again. Hrishyami, I feel extremely happy and blissful, elated by thinking of this conversation between this sacred and marvelous conversation again and again, thinking of it between Arjuna and Krishna. Rajan samsmritya samvadamimam adbhutam.
Rajan samsmritya samvadamimam adbhutam. Rajan samsmritya samvadamimam adbhutam.
Keshavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhu.
Keshavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhu. Keshavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhu.
Rajan samsmritya samvadamimam adbhutam. Bha is Mahaprana. Keshavarjunayoho punyam. So visarga followed by pa, upadhmaniya. Keshavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhu. The entire verse. Rajan samsmritya samvadamimam adbhutam. Keshavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhu.
Rajan samsmritya samvadamimam adbhutam. Keshavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhu.
Uttamam, Neha. Dhanyavadaha, Neha. So Neha also joined us 2 years ago, and she first joined as a student, but I think in the first 2-3 weeks itself, when I requested her, she readily accepted to become a panelist. And though at that time probably Neha did not had not studied Sanskritam before this, if I'm right, Neha? So
Yes.
she started this course, and of course now she has learned many verses, and she's also studying Sanskritam. But when she started this webinar, she started it with a lot of dedication and practiced every week, and she has helped us with the Anucharanam for these 2 years. So, and she has become so good in her pronunciation of Sanskritam and understanding the nuances, etc. Very, very happy, Neha, to see that you have progressed so well, and thank you so much. Dhanyavadaha. So hope to see you in more. Yes. Thank you, Neha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next issue, please unmute and share your webcam. Tacha samsmritya
Tacha samsmritya Tacha samsmritya
Rupamatyadbhutam harehe.
Rupamadyadbhutam harehe. Rupamadyadbhutam harehe.
Vismayo me mahan rajan.
Vismayo me mahan rajan. Vismayo me mahan rajan.
Hrishyami cha punah punah.
Hrishyami cha punah. Hrishyami cha punah.
Tacha samsmritya rupamatyadbhutam harehe. Bhu is Mahaprana. Vismayo me mahan rajan hrishyami cha punaha punaha. So visarga followed by pa upadmaniya punah punaha. So in the previous verse, Sanjaya said, thinking of this divine marvelous conversation between Arjuna and Krishna, I experience happiness again and again. So here he's saying, Tacha Atyadbhutam Rupam Harehe Samsmritya Samsmritya. So now he's referring to the Vishwarupa Darshana of Bhagavan, which again Sanjaya was very blessed to witness because of the divine eyesight given by Vyasa. So that Atyadbhutam, extremely wonderful, awe-inspiring, marvelous, Rupam, that form, Harehe, Hare's the form of Vishnu or the form of Bhagavan. Samsmritya, having thinking of it, having thought of it, may Mahan Vismayo. So I am wonderstruck. Vismaya means with a lot of wonder. Cha and punah punaha hrishyami. I also feel very happy again and again. So this he is referring to the Vishwarupa Darshanam of Bhagavan, which we experienced in the 11th chapter. Tacha samsmritya samsmritya rupamatyadbhutam harehe.
Tacha samsmritya samsmritya रूपमध्यद्भुतं हरेः. Tacha samsmritya samsmritya रूपमध्यद्भुतं हरेः.
Vismayo me mahan rajan hrishyami cha punah punaha.
विस्मयो मे महान् राजन् हृष्यामि च पुनः पुनः. विस्मयो मे महान् राजन् हृष्यामि च पुनः पुनः.
Now the entire verse. Tacha samsmritya samsmritya rupamatyadbhutam harehe. Vismayo me mahan rajan hrishyami cha punah punaha.
Tacha samsmritya samsmritya रूपमत्यद्भुतं हरेः. विस्मयो मे महान् राजन् हृष्यामि च पुनः पुनः.
Uttamam Ishu. Dhanyavadaha, very well chanted. So those who are attending since the beginning will know that initially Ishu used to complete this class and rush to school. So initially when we started, we had classes in the morning on Saturdays, and she used to be in her school uniform. She used to get ready early in the morning and sit for this class. And sometimes she used to leave 10 minutes in advance and rush to her school. So that is her dedication. Ishu has learned Sanskritam and Shlokas in Gita Govinda Samskrita Sangha. And from the beginning of this webinar, she has helped us with the Anucharanam very effectively. Thank you very much, Ishu. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Ram, Ram, Ram. Now we come to the final verse. Vihan, please unmute.
Ram 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 Mam.
Please share your web. Ram 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 Vihan.
Ram Ram
Yes.
Ram Mam.
So this verse, all of you know, we have been listening to this right from the first class. So today let us learn this with Anucharanam. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna.
Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna.
Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha.
Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha. Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha.
Tat तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः
तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः
ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम
ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम
यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः visarga followed by ka jihva muliya, so we chanted it as yatra yogeshwarah krishnah yatra partho tha is mahaprana dhanurdharah two mahapranas here dha and dha tatra shrir vijayo, please note this word shrir vijayo, there is a r here, many times we forget to chant that has to be chanted tatra shrihi vijayo, combining it becomes tatra shrir vijayo bhutihi, bha is mahaprana, dhruva is mahaprana, nitir matir mama. So this again is told by Sanjaya. So he says where there is Yogeshwara Krishna and where there is a warrior Dhanurdharaha, the one with the bow, like Arjuna, yet where there is Partha who bears the bow, the warrior Partha and Yogeshwara Krishna, tatra there Shrihi, prosperity or auspiciousness, Vijayaha, victory, Dhruvanitihi, that is absolute righteousness will definitely exist. So this is like he has already given a hint that where where you have Krishna and Yogeshwara Krishna and Partha, that is Arjuna, there will definitely be righteousness, victory and prosperity. So this is like a hint he is giving to Dhritarashtra that definitely victory is going to be to the Pandavas, to the side of Dharma. Also this verse signifies that whenever you have the grace of Bhagavan and human effort, then there definitely there will be success and prosperity. So human effort, duty, dispassionately, in the sense that without expecting the result or without having attachment to the fruit, as an offering to Bhagavan, as karma yogis, doing one's duty with absolute dedication. And of course, when there is grace of Bhagavan also, there will be prosperity and success. So let us learn this verse. Yatra yogeshwarah krishnah yatra partho dhanurdharah tatra shrir, there is a dvitvam, tatra shrir, so tatra shrir vijayo bhutihi dhruva nitir matir mama. Yatra yogeshwarah krishnah yatra partho dhanurdharah
यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः
तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम
तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम.
Here please do not prolong, it is nitir matir mama, please note all of you, it is a hrasva, that is a short letter. Now the entire verse. Yatra yogeshwarah krishnah yatra partho dhanurdharah tatra shrir vijayo bhutihi dhruva nitirmatirmama.
यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः श्रवाणीतिर्मतिर्मम
Uttamam. Now let us conclude. Vihan, you can continue with the conclusion of Moksha Sannyasa Yoga. Om Tat Saditi.
ॐ तत्सदिति ॐ तत्सदिति
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
उपनिषत्सु
उपनिषत्सु
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
योगशास्त्रे
योगशास्त्रे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम
मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम
once again
मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम
अष्टादशोऽध्यायः
अष्टादशोऽध्यायः
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु भ is Mahaprana Upanishatsu all this Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu that is it's a hrasva short letter Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Moksha Sannyasa Yogo Nama Ashtadashodhyayah Dha is Mahaprana. Now the entire conclusion once Om Tat Saditi श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम अष्टादशोऽध्यायः
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम अष्टादशोऽध्यायः
Uttamam Vihan. So Vihan was attending as an attendee, as a participant, and he wrote to me saying he wants to be a panelist, and he also sent me a video recording, and his pronunciation is perfect. He has also been attending Gita Govinda Samskrita Sangha classes, right Vihan? And he has learned shlokas. Yes, okay. And he joined us as a panelist, and I think he is the youngest in the group now. So Dhanyavadaha Vihan, thank you very much, and hoping to see you more in future webinars. Thank you very much. And
धन्यवादः
so this learning has been possible with Anucharanam, with the help of all the panelists. Without their help, it would have been difficult to learn. So thank you so much to all of them. Some of them are not present here today, like Charu, who also joined us midway, like Vihan, and she has also very efficiently helped us and we had Anuradha Hebbar Bhagini for some time, who also shared her experience of memorizing all the 18 chapters of the Gita. And we had Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini, who was also very regular, and due to some personal reasons, she could not continue as a panelist. And Pranav, who was there initially, I think Pranav, Ishu and Neha were the initial panelists. So he also could not continue after some time. But thank you so much to all of them who have helped us with Anucharanam in this webinar. And we will conclude this class with a recap of the verses we have learned. Sanjaya Uvacha Ityaham Vasudevasya Parthasya cha Mahatmanah Samvadamimamashrausam Adbhutam Romaharshanam Vyasa Prasadat Shrutavan Etadguhyamaham Param योगैयोगेश्वरात् कृष्णात् साक्षात् कथयत स्वयं राजन् संस्मृत्य संवादमिममद्भुतं केशवार्जुनयोः पुण्यं हृष्यामि च मुहुर्मुहुः संस्मृत्य रूपमत्यद्भुतं हरेः विस्मयो मे महान् राजन् हृष्यामि च पुनः पुनः यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम अष्टादशोऽध्यायः। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। I forgot to mention Prithvi Bhagini, Prithvi Shenoy, who also joined us as a panelist for a few classes, and she's very busy with her entrance exams, etc. So she could not continue, but thank you very much to Prithvi Bhagini also. So I thought there would be time, but it is already 6 o'clock. So we will not have time for individual chanting today. Next week, we will have a Punaravartanam. We will have class next week. Please do attend, all of you. We will have Punaravartanam, revision of the 18th chapter, followed by individual chanting. And like I said, after that, you will have ample time for mock assessments. So please, all of you, take part in the mock assessment. Whether you're taking part as in the Kantapata, that is in the memorization, or whether you're taking part in Parayanam, either ways you could let me know, and we will have mock tests at this time itself to give you a feel of how it is going to be conducted. And later, please watch out for the email regarding the assessment. Many of you had asked me for the playlist with the revision of the chapters. So I have sent you that link in the email which I sent yesterday. So just the playlist with those 18 videos so far, because it also has the video for tips on memorization. So next class, after the 18th chapters revision, that will also be added to that playlist. So that has the Punaravartanam, revision of all the chapters. You can listen to that if you want to listen to continuous Parayanam. Apart from that, you also have, like you all know, Vyoma has the YouTube Anucharanam, that is the karaoke videos, along with the text being displayed in both Parayanam and Anucharanam modes, that is recitation and repetition, so that also you could follow. Thank you very much for your kind messages. I am reading all of them. Thank you so much, all of you. It has been a great journey for me as well. And congratulations, Abhinandanani, to you all also. Some of the participants in the webinar have been attending very regularly every week. And it's a very blessed feeling that we were able to complete all the 18 chapters in 2 years. So Raghuvira Gadyam, just recitation, yes, I'm going to, we are working on that. We will upload that soon. And any more doubts, you can send me an email. Next class, please be present for the Parayanam and individual chanting. After that, we will have the mock assessments. Some of you have asked for Gita Mahatmyam shlokas. Sure, I will share them with you. I'm not sure if we will have a repetition of those. Let me see if we have the time, because we also need to have time for mock assessments. In case we are not able to have time for repetition, definitely we will have, I will recite the verses in class and show it to you on screen. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Nagarajan Mahodaya says he has missed just 2 classes so far. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you once again to the panelists. We will meet again for assessment, mock tests, etc., and for the valedictory function. Let us conclude today's class with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvebhyah Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram. We will meet next Saturday at the same time. Please practice the 18th chapter for individual chanting. Dhanyavadaha.